And then, silence. The sea was still. The wind no longer roared, and the earth stood quiet after the voice of Yeshua. The disciples stood in awe, their eyes fixed on the calm water where moments before, thousands of unclean spirits had fled. No one spoke, only the sound of the waves and the whisper of the wind. Far off in the distance, the herdsmen ran, their cries echoing through the hills. They had seen what no man had ever seen before, the power of Yahweh, the living God. Far off, the people of the city came running, drawn by the cries of the herdsmen and the sight of the hillside where the pigs had vanished. But when they reached the shore, they did not find madness or chaos. Instead, they saw the man who had been possessed, sitting on a rock by Yeshua, clothed and in his right mind. A hushed voice of fear and respect. The same one they had feared for years was now calm as a child, and the people were afraid, for they knew the power of heaven had come near. Yeshua looked upon him with compassion, while the crowd stood silent, the sound of waves the only witness to what he had done. Stay tuned for part 3.